So I'm not entirely sure what I did. I had 3 rods on my kayak. They were all tied down, and coming out now I realized there's only 2 rods on, so I've somehow lost one. I weighed in my fish. They were actually tiny. Limit is 3 fish. I managed to do a total of 800 grams, not even a kilogram for 3 fish. But I have to also say, due to this heat, I've only fished for half the day, 4 hours I think. Typical thing with this heat is as soon as you get under the trees, like it's quite a few degrees cooler, which means if you camp in South Africa or more Gauteng, northwest area, the best thing is to find a tree if you don't want to die of this heat. Before I burned myself to smithereens here, I thought let me get off the water, and I'm on my way home. So thanks for watching, and I hope you will please subscribe so I can try and build something here and show you guys more venues. Thank you. Bye.